Let's discuss AMC very quick because we getting near the $2.46. We went until the $2.45 at the market open, and we've got a huge wick. There's a fight here, guys. A huge fight for the ultimate squeeze zone for AMC. And as you can look here from the chart, from the pullback that we did on the 1st of June, we pulled back for 3 days, 20%. And after that, look at this reversal, man. We reverse in 9 days, 40%, guys. 4 with 0 for AMC, and now we getting near the squeeze zone. We held the $2, everything looking great. So we have to discuss what's gonna happen after that. But before we go further, guys, remember our content always for education purposes only, and remember we always do major update in our pre-market watch list for the stock that we're hunting. Today we got this one that did 100% before even market open in few hours. Once we catch it here before this breakout from this flag around the 33 and we hit the 60 and we pull back right away. Let me just show you what's going on with this stock because we always discuss many stocks on our Discord and Patreon. As you can see here, PAVS did really good breakout. As you can see from the chart, we did it before this huge jump of 100%. We tested 60 precisely around the top, and we pulled back to test now the new support around the 39. The link in our description to our Discord and Patreon. But in the meantime, let us discuss AMC because the market is doing fantastic, guys. And I think the reason is because of one of the main or the top IPO for this year, which is SpaceX, really successful IPO because we kind of doubled before because we went around the 150, but before the IPO, the price was around 85. So it's kind of doubled. After that, we hit the 170 and still holding the gain. So the market is moving, the market maker buying, and you see what's going on. The market all green. However, AMC is not in huge green because we got a huge wall, guys, around the $2.46. And from my opinion, this is will change everything because this is where we should break and make the short seller cover up over the $2.46. We need this happen like around the $2 level. Once we broke, we held here. You see here, we held over the $2 and continue to do another major jump. For here, we need to break the 246, hold, and continue toward the $3.17. And this is will give us a really good squeeze, almost 30%, and around the 4 almost 60%. So we have 30% is not in one go. If we have a major news, yes, we might have a 60% jump, but this is not healthy. The healthy way of jumping for any stock is like this: jumping 20, 10%, and then consolidating sideways, jumping, consolidating sideways, jumping, consolidating up, and then pull back a little bit, then continue to go higher. This is what we want to see for AMC to go toward the $3 per year, then the 4, then the 5, and ultimately for this year around the $10, the most interesting level to go to. But for now, we have to focus on the $2.46 because this is where we got the huge wall when right at the market open. The right market open, this is give us the direction or the strength either for the buyers or the sellers, or confirming the level of resistance or support. For here, we confirm the level of the resistance because with the huge volume at the market open where usually the market maker buy and the whales, we didn't break. It means we have more sellers than buyers, but at the same time, we have a lot of buyers because we don't have a flush down and the price is still up 1% after testing the $2.45 from our resistance that we discussed since we were here around beginning of June once we were consolidating below the $2. For now, guys, just watch out for the 2 and of course breaking the 246 and then the 3 and the $4. We might hit those levels in coming days and weeks, and of course we're gonna do this update first on our Discord and Patreon, and after that we're gonna discuss it on our live streaming 13 minutes before the market open as usual, where we update you about AMC and the whole market. And of course, we might do another update on SpaceX because everybody talking about SpaceX right now.